I'm Leslie Becker. I'm the Director of Urgent and Emergent Care at North Memorial Medical Center and Chairman of our Gift of Life and Sight Committee at North Memorial. And I've been a nurse for about 34 years. Once I became a nurse, I knew that I wanted to work with critical care patients. And after I did about a year on a med-surg unit, I tried very hard to be able to get into critical care at the hospital I was working at. And once I did that, I knew that this is where I wanted to be. And it was my heart and soul. I got certified as a certified critical care nurse. It was really what I was all about. What motivates me about being involved in organ donation, either within my hospital or outside of my hospital, is I know in the end it's the right thing to do. I think being involved in all the different things in partnership with LifeSource has helped grow the program at North, has taken North's program to a different level. It's doing things to honor donors, things that are kind of innovative. We are hoping that we're taking the lead and ultimately going to help other hospitals do the same thing. The flag raising program was really one of the first things we did outside of the clinical area. And what we do is we raise the Donate Life flag during the donation processes that occurs. And I think we all know that that can occur over a short period of time or really a couple day period of time. So when you drive in, it's the main entrance of North Memorial. When you drive in, you'll see the United States flag, the Minnesota flag, the North Memorial flag, and then the Donate Life flag also flying. And people know that a donation is occurring. We've had amazing response from families to our flag raising program. We have had families that have written back and wanted to raise the flag again on a certain date, either a birthday of the donor or anniversary of the death of the donor, and we do everything we can to make that happen. We have had anywhere from nobody at the flag raisings to a crowd of probably 20 to 30 people at a flag raising. The family coming up to us after and saying, "Oh my goodness, I didn't want to just leave the hospital, but to be able to leave after this ceremony makes it okay." The Wall of Heroes is actually a wall that sits right outside our chapel at North Memorial, which is a great spot for it to be. And it has a large piece of artwork in the center that has a beautiful poem about donation and the gift of donation. And surrounding that wall are pictures, framed pictures with the donor's name on them. And it really covers a whole section of wall. And as you walk off the elevator and turn, you're just kind of, there it is. And you can't help but notice it and stop and look at it. It's pretty powerful. What's amazing is I see staff. The random respiratory therapist walks by and touches the picture, puts their hand up on a picture because they remember that patient. Or I'll see just random people sitting there just looking. And it's still happening. Working at a trauma center, there is so much tragedy that we're faced with. And if one positive thing can come out of the tragedy that these patients are faced with and these families are faced with, that's what makes the difference. My name is Leslie Becker, and I am hope.